The world is undergoing a quiet revolution, a shift from the familiar feel of coins and paper money to the intangible convenience of digital payments. This change is more than just a technological trend. It's a reflection of how we live, work, and shop in an increasingly connected world. Over the past decade, digital transactions have exploded in popularity. As of 2023, 76% of global adults made at least one digital payment. And in some countries, like Norway, only 2% of payments are made using cash. This shift isn't limited to wealthier nations. Countries in Africa, Asia, and South America are also adopting mobile payment systems, driven by a desire for financial inclusion and convenience. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated this transformation. With concerns about hygiene and social distancing, businesses and consumers quickly embraced contactless and online payments. Even street vendors in cities like Nairobi and Bangkok started accepting payments via QR codes and mobile apps, proving that the cashless future isn't confined to high-tech urban hubs. It's reaching everyone, everywhere. The cashless revolution wouldn't be possible without groundbreaking technologies that have made digital payments faster, safer, and more convenient. One of the most transformative innovations is the rise of mobile payment platforms like PayPal, Alipay, and Venmo, which allow users to send money instantly with just a few taps on their phone. In Africa, systems like M-Pesa have connected millions of people to the financial system for the first time, using even the most basic mobile phones. Contactless payment cards, equipped with near-field communication, NFC technology, have also become ubiquitous. They offer speed and security by letting users simply tap their card on a terminal. No PIN or signature required for smaller transactions. Meanwhile, biometric payments are on the rise. From facial recognition in China to fingerprint scanning in India, these methods promise convenience while reducing fraud risks. And then there's blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. While often associated with speculation, blockchain has enabled secure, decentralized payments. Some companies are even exploring stablecoins, digital currencies tied to real-world assets, to make crypto payments more practical for everyday use. These innovations are shaping the way we pay, offering tools that are faster, more inclusive, and increasingly secure. To understand the significance of the cashless movement, we must look back at how payment methods have evolved over time. Thousands of years ago, bartering was the first form of trade, where goods like livestock, grains, and textiles were exchanged directly. This system had limitations. How do you trade a cow for a handful of salt? The need for standardization led to the introduction of commodity money, such as shells and precious metals. In 600 BCE, the Lydians in ancient Anatolia revolutionized commerce by minting the first coins made of gold and silver. These coins made transactions faster, standardized value, and paved the way for larger trade networks. Paper money followed centuries later, first used during the Tang Dynasty in China around 700 AD, offering a lighter and more convenient alternative to metal coins. Fast forward to the 20th century, and payment cards began reshaping finance. The invention of credit cards in the 1950s eliminated the need to carry cash and added a layer of financial flexibility. Today, as we stand on the brink of a cashless future, these milestones remind us how innovation has continually transformed the way we exchange value. Across the globe, some countries are redefining how financial transactions happen, leading the way toward cashless economies. Singapore, known for its digital innovation, has integrated government-supported platforms like PayNow, which allows seamless transfers using just mobile numbers. Businesses and individuals alike have embraced this technology, reducing their reliance on cash. In India, the Unified Payments Interface, UPI, is a game changer. This real-time payment system connects multiple banks through a single mobile platform, making digital payments accessible and user-friendly. Its widespread adoption has accelerated India's journey toward a less cash-dependent economy. These case studies highlight how tailored approaches and innovative technologies can drive cashless adoption in unique ways around the world. A cashless society offers numerous advantages that extend beyond convenience. One of the most significant benefits is security. Without physical money to steal, crimes like robberies and pickpocketing are reduced. Digital payments also leave a transaction trail, making it harder for illegal activities, such as money laundering and tax evasion, to go unnoticed. Another advantage is the speed and efficiency of transactions. Whether you're buying groceries, paying bills, or transferring money internationally, digital payments are faster than handling cash. Businesses also benefit by saving time and resources otherwise spent on counting, storing, and securing physical money. Additionally, cashless systems pave the way for financial inclusion. In countries where traditional banking services are limited, mobile payment platforms give people access to financial tools, empowering them to save, invest, and grow their businesses. By eliminating the need for physical infrastructure, these systems bring banking to remote areas, fostering economic growth and reducing inequality. Despite its benefits, the transition to a cashless society is not without challenges. One major concern is privacy. Every digital transaction leaves a trail, which raises questions about how personal data is stored, used, and shared. Governments and corporations could potentially misuse this data, leading to surveillance and loss of financial freedom. Another issue is cybersecurity. Hackers and cybercriminals often target digital payment platforms, with billions of dollars lost annually due to fraud and data breaches. As more transactions occur online, the risk of large-scale financial disruptions increases, making security a top priority. The exclusion of certain populations is another challenge. Millions of people worldwide lack access to the technology or banking services needed for digital payments. This digital divide disproportionately affects the elderly, rural communities, and low-income groups, leaving them behind in the cashless revolution. These concerns highlight the need for safeguards and inclusive strategies as we move towards a digital economy. The journey to a cashless world is a story of innovation, adaptation, and resilience. While the path isn't without obstacles, the potential benefits far outweigh the challenges. From empowering small businesses to creating more inclusive financial systems, the digital revolution in payments is transforming lives across the globe. Countries are learning to blend tradition and technology, ensuring no one is left behind. The road ahead is promising. Emerging technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing are set to make digital transactions even faster, safer, and more reliable. Imagine a future where global payments happen in real time, without borders or delays, fostering economic growth and collaboration on an unprecedented scale. However, the success of a cashless society depends on building trust. Governments, businesses, and innovators must work together to create systems that prioritize security, transparency, and accessibility. Bridging the digital divide and addressing concerns like privacy will be critical to ensuring that this future benefits everyone. Ultimately, a cashless society isn't just about technology, it's about people. It's about empowering communities, creating opportunities, and redefining the way we connect and trade with one another. As we embrace this new era, let's remember that the true goal is not just convenience, but a fairer and more inclusive financial world for all. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.